Hello, today I'm going to be going over the results of my final project in the Fundamentals of Speech Recognition in the fall of 2021 semester. Just as an overview, my project was on emotion and sentiment analysis using the RAVDIS dataset. Essentially, for each audio input file, I created a few different models that would try to classify that input file as one of 8 categories, of one of 8 emotions, which were neutral, happy, sad, calm, fearful, angry, surprised, and disgusted. We have a few different models, those that are trained with and without pitch taken into account, and then we incorporated transfer learning using the VGG16, CNN using ImageNet weights. Test accuracies of the models described. The initial model that didn't incorporate any pitch or transfer learning only had an accuracy of about 56% on the test dataset. The model that had pitch but no transfer learning had about 68%. The model with transfer learning but no pitch had 75%, and the model with both had 87%. So we can see that the model with both that took into account both pitch and utilized transfer learning had a much higher test accuracy. I'm going to go a little bit into detail about what the VGG ImageNet transfer learning entailed. That VGG16 model is a classification model using the ImageNet weights. So it had been trained on many different images itself. It's a highly accurate image classification model that I tried to apply here. What I did was took all of the sound files, the audio files in the data set, and performed feature extraction and created images of their MEL spectrograms, an example of which you can see on the right. That's an example of an angry audio input that has not been pitch adjusted. All of those images were then categorized by emotion initially, and then they were trained, they were categorized by emotion before they were trained against the existing VGG model ImageNet weights. And that model, we took the last 3 layers and we made those trainable with our images as well. So then when we were able to perform with our own audio input, it would be a little bit more accurate. So now we can look at a sample of utilizing our own custom audio input.
I can't believe class is already over. I can't believe class is already over.
So it said that I was sad, which I am because class is over. So that's a brief overview, and thanks for a great semester.